$1.49 a pound, so that's pretty cheap. There we go, baby. Water spinach. I've been missing that. Go ahead.
We can make garlic kangkong.
Go ahead, baby.
Oh, and
Yeah? What do we have here?
singkamas.
Throw them in.
Eat singkamas.
I guess I will.
It's good.
Alrighty. Look at you, baby.
Milk tea.
Enjoying?
So good. Without the boba though.
No boba.
But it's still very good.
Okay. Alrighty. Let's go find some fish. Yeah, I think your bluefish was still bigger.
Than that?
Yeah.
Well, we got some labano, some crab.
Nice, baby.
A dozen for $15.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh my God, you go to picture, very beautiful. My daughter.
Look at all that. Nice haul, baby. First grocery at Chinatown. Let's get on the queue.
I think I'm gonna cook it with the spicy crab paste. I think that would be actually very good, no?
Oh my god, that sounds awesome.
Yeah. We also got some noodles. We got some anchovy and oil. Syempre, sweet chili sauce. Patis. Yeah, and fish sauce. And of course, shredded pork. And then we got kangkong, some sprouts, mushrooms, sinigang mix, ready sauce for pad thai, and mungo beans. Oh yes, we'll make mungo. Miguel's not a fan of mungo, but I'll still make mungo. Wow, okay. Some seaweed. Oh, wait, we've got some bananas. The blueberries. Grabe. Ang laki niya. And then, langka. Singkamas.
Those are all local too, baby. They're from Long Island.
Oh, it's so pretty, the color. Wow. Welcome back to the vlog.
Well, it's 2 pounds of shrimp. That's easily one dish. We've got our, is that the 2 squid? Oh, beautiful, baby. Beautiful squid. Go for it. Oh, yeah.
Just 2 small ones.
Nice. And 1 biggie in the bag.
Ito masarap. Fried now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, 2 each, no?
Beautiful.
Yes.
Alrighty. Bugger. Oh boy, he's angry. It's okay, baby. I'll get him. Hello, crab. Alright. You calm down. Go back with your friends. Everybody stay calm in there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ay!
Now you're upside down.
Sorry, yung camera medyo tagilid, pero ayusin natin. Really? Hirap pala nito. Ngayon lang ako nagtanong ng langka. There we go. Now, it'll be easier to get the meat of the langka. Ayan. We'll try.
Let's try. Oh my gosh, it's been so long.
Oh, sweet.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, well picked.
We're just gonna boil the seeds. Boil this for 30 minutes ata. Tingnan natin.
Nice. My first time, baby. I've never had. Believe you.
It's good.
And those things are good too.
It's just very hard.
Oh, those crabs are wandering around.
Just chopping some garlic.
Later, what you want, Red?
It's fine. So. Olive oil, crab paste.
Hey.
Fresh garlic. I've never cooked this before. The first time I've ever cooked. This is from Our Kitchen, chili garlic oil. So good.
Yeah, get in there.
This is gonna be the coating for our crab.
Spicy, sweet, garlicky, crabby sauce. Wow.
I'm so sorry about our kitchen counter. It's quite a party in here. But
Thank you, Jokoy.
thank you, Jokoy.
Alright.
So you wash it until
The water is
it's clear.
Usually 2 times, maybe 3. Here's the 2. The last rice bath was clear. Lost a little rice there. I'm not doing the Jokoy finger method.
Okay.
Then we just cover this and then let it soak for 15 minutes before we start the cook. Okay.
So pretty.
Alright, so the rice has been soaking for 10 minutes and it does look a little puffier. Cover everything up. And get this guy boiling. Okay. Alright, so it's been on high for a little bit, and when you see the steam starting to come out of this little spout, then you know it's time to take it down to simmer. So, let's see, is that strong enough? Yeah, that's getting strong enough. Okay. Let's turn you down. Alright. 15 minutes like that, followed by another 15, covered up. Alright, 15 minutes have passed. Shut that down. And the nice part about the danabe is because of this clay pot, it's going to stay so nice and warm in there. The rice is actually going to steam for a while longer, so they recommend keeping it in here for another 20 minutes before you eat. Alrighty, Blue Claws, it's almost time's up.
I'm so scared, Gil.
Baby. You gotta be swift, baby.
I'm so scared.
I believe in you. Baby.
You can't just go here. Puñetas. So scared because sometimes they just surprise you. Can I just one by one?
Good luck doing that one by one.
Let's see.
I would recommend one fell swoop.
I'm so freaking scared.
Get that last one in, baby. Yes, Tiny.
Come here.
Hey, Tiny.
Oh, yay!
Yes, easy. Alrighty. Let's see what these bad boys look like. Do you have the gloves, baby?
Yeah.
I
do.
Okay, let's lift them. Oh, yeah. 5 minutes of boiling. These guys look delicious.
4 minutes, right?
Oh yeah, because we're gonna stir fry after. All right, I'll remove the water for you, baby.
Okay, thanks. Ooh, free facial.
Very nice.
Wow.
Ooh, right. All right. Lord. Yam is so much better at eating crabs than me, though. I'm gonna have to copy her again.
Yeah.
Oh my, oh, delicious.
In there.
Oh my God.
Right.
Ready. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy cow.
Wow.
Oh my God. We should do some brave walk tossing right here.
Mahirap yan eh.
Wow.
Miguel. Wow. Whoa. So good.
Hey, that's looking real nice, baby. Wow. What do you think? Should we lay him down?
Okay. Wow. Wow, look at the sauce. Just scrape it all in there.
Indeed. Some red chili flakes, and maybe one last.
Salt.
Just a little sprinkle.
Suka. And of course, our donabe. Rice. Aray ko, mainit. Alrighty. Suka. With chili oil and some salt.
Let's see our rice.
It's hot. Wow.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
All right.
Rice is rice.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's dig in, baby. All right, let's get nice.
Let's try Joko's rice. shredded pork.
Oh.
Wow. Look at that. Shredded pork.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do you want some?
I'll take a little bit.
little bit.
Less than that for sure.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, something like
There
that.
you go.
Oh my god. Baby, these crabs.
Where's the rice cake?
That's the way. You missed that style?
Dip it in vinegar. And have it with the rice.
That's the way. Your favorite foods. I must join you. Oh my lord.